Hi, this is Thanis Jones, the author of DrawingQuest.com. Just want to comment on a blog that I uploaded, discussing how to draw for $7.50 from Dollar General. Here you see me opening up the actual sketch kit. This sketch kit was like $3.50 from Dollar General, and I'm actually opening it right here. Here's the cardboard. It was molded plastic on top of the cardboard. This is where the actual items, the drawing tool, are kept right here. I'm going to have to separate the plastic from the cardboard from the bottom to expose the rest of all the art tools. The second, as you can see here, there's the plastic that was molded around it. Total, you had one drawing tablet for $3. That's the block eraser, the kneaded eraser, wrapped in plastic. There we go. There is the manual pencil sharpener, two-bladed, two different sizes. Okay. These are charcoal, two of the three charcoal pencils that are available in this kit. 2B, and the 4B. There's a blending nib that also comes with it inside the kit. Okay, here. All right. Now we get into the graphite. There's a little mix here, but there's the 2H graphite pencil that comes in the kit. One of the three. This is the other charcoal. There's the B graphite pencil, second one in the kit. And finally, for the last 2B graphite pencil, they could also included in the kit. I'll be covering these again to give a closer look at those. Stay tuned. I am going to do actual drawings with these. All right, this will be a recap. There's the sharpener, block eraser, kneaded eraser, blending nib, two rulers, plastic rulers. They're 50 cents each, about $1 total for both of them. The three graphite pencils. Excuse the orientation here. We're trying to figure out the best way to orientate this on the camera. But I'll get that here in just a second for you so you can see a better view of these grades on these graphite pencils. For the graphite pencils, we were looking at B, 2B, and 2H respectively. Not necessarily in that grade order. And as mentioned earlier, there are three charcoal pencils included in this set. Here we go. Okay, that's it for now. Be sure to check out more videos here on YouTube, and be sure to stop by DrawingQuest.com and check out my blogs there. for watching.